Hello guys, welcome to Coding Essentials. Today's topic is variables and overview of data types. So let's start with variables first. What does variable mean? In layman's words, variable is a container in which you store data. And how to declare variable? The general syntax of declaring variable is variable name is equal to variable value in Python. Rules for naming the variable is same as the rules for identifiers. I have already mentioned the rules of identifiers in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, please check that video first. So for example, x equals 5 and x equals 9. Let me show you in our Python shell. So first we write x equals 5, then we write x equals 9. Now we check the value of x. It is shown as 9. So it will show the most recently declared value. It is not a static value. Okay, so y equals 4.5. It will take any value. And now let's talk about string. Name equals, you can use either single inverted commas or double inverted commas as per your convenience. Python will support both. And name 2 is equals to double inverted commas. So if we check out both, the output would be same in single inverted commas. Okay, so this was all about declaring the variables. Now let's see the print function. It is an inbuilt function which gives the output or prints the things mentioned inside the function. For example, print xyz or print xyz. So you can use any either single inverted commas or double inverted comma for any string printer. Okay, so let me show you in the Python shell. Print xyz, enter. As you can see, it will print xyz. Then print xyz. So both the output are one and the same. Okay, now let's go to, okay, so we will first declare the variables. X equals coding and y equals essentials. Now if we print x, then it will print coding. It will print y, it will print essentials. Okay, to make you understand the concept of AND, we will need to open the script. So to run a script, you first need to save it. Okay, x.py. The extension of a Python file is .py. Okay, so we will write x equals coding, y equals essentials, and print x, then comma, and is equals to, if we write, if we give a space in the end, then it will differentiate the next print function using a space. Okay, so let's save it and run module. So it will run over here. As you can see, the both print function have been differentiated by a space. Okay, now if we don't mention it and save it and run module, so it will print in the next line. So this is the use of AND. Okay, also you can use like this coding plus y. print coding plus y, save, and okay, as you can see over here, coding essentials has been printed. Because we haven't give any space here, if we give space, save and run, so here's the space. So this is how you can print the values. Okay, now let's go in input. Input is basically equal to scanf in C, or cin in C++, or scanner class in Java, and input in Python. This is an inbuilt function which will take input from user. Okay, so input will take a string input, and if you need a number, then we use int input or float or double as per your convenience or as per your need. So inserting the inputted value to variable, we will write x equals input. I forgot the count brackets. X equals int input for a number. Okay, let's try. So if we write just input, it will ask for an input. It will also print it. If we write for int input, if we write a CO, then it will show an error because int input should get a number, an integer. So if we write 6, then it will print 6. Float input 4.5, it will print 4.5. Okay, now x is equals to int input 9, it won't print it. Y is equals to int input 10, it won't show it. Now if we write x plus y, it will show 19. Also I can tell you, like, it will also give direct answers like 7 plus 8, 9 by 2. It is basically a calculator. So this was all about the input function. Now I will give you an overview of data types. There are type function gives the type of variables. Okay, so I will tell you about it at the last. So there are data types. str means string data type, int, float, complex are the numeric data types, list, tuple, range are the sequence data types, dict or dictionary is a mapping data type, set, frozen set are set data types, bool or boolean is a boolean data type. So I will tell you each and every data type in detail in upcoming videos, in different videos. Okay, so now I will show you the type function. If we write type x, so the value of x is 9, so it should give int type. So it will show class is equals to int. So that is how type works. Type okay, so there is no float value. Okay, if we write y is equals to, and then type of y. Okay, so as you can see here, the class is str or string class. So this is how we use type. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.